Let's see how we can install and run Django in Cursor AI. So the first thing is, let's create a project folder, right? You don't need to open Cursor just yet. And let's call it My Django App, okay? Once you have the project folder ready, now you can open Cursor, or you can create the project folder from inside the Cursor itself, but I've already created this, so I'll just open Cursor. And in Cursor, let's open our project folder. And once the project folder is open, we can start creating Django app by just installing Django. But a good practice is to create a virtual environment first. So what I'll do is I'll go to terminal and create a virtual environment. So the command is python -m venv. And after this, you just need to enter your virtual environment name. You can give it any name, but again, a good practice is to just call it venv. Now hit enter. If you get an error that says Python command not found, that means you have to install Python in your system first. If you want to know how to install Python, check the link in the description below. So while the venv or virtual environment is being created, here you will notice that venv folder has already been created. Once the virtual environment is created, we need to activate it so that we can install all this project specific dependencies inside this virtual environment. To activate this virtual environment, just do venv /scripts /activate. If you are on Linux or Mac OS, the command is source venv /bin/activate. Okay, now let's install Django first. So the command is pip install Django. Hit enter and Django will be installed in this virtual environment. Okay. Once Django is installed, you need to set up the Django project. So now you can just enter this command Django admin start project and then your project name. Since we are already inside our project folder, just enter period and then hit enter. So what this will do is, okay, it's not period. Okay, so let me fix the command. So the command is Django admin start project and then your project name. We have called this My Django app, so I'll just write My Django app, and then you need to write your folder name where this app will be created. But since I'm already inside the folder, I'll just hit period, which represents the current directory. If I write a folder name here, a new folder will be created and everything will be done inside that folder. I don't want that. I want everything to be done inside this folder. Okay, so that's why I've done period here. Now hit enter. And here, as you can see, manage.py, a Django settings folder is created. So once this is done, you can just use this manage.py to run the Django server. So the command is python manage.py run server and hit enter. And now your Django app will be run. Again, you can press and hold control and click on this link. And here, as you can see, your Django server is running with the default page visible. Now you can modify this, create apps here, create Python file here, and create your web app easily. So this is how you can install and run Django server in Cursor AI. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.